In the arid deserts of North Africa, Egypt stands as one of the region's most powerful military forces. And within its armored core lies a unique symbol of adaptation and modernization, the Ramses II main battle tank. At first glance, it might remind you of a Soviet T-55. And you'd be right. But what makes the Ramses II special is how Egypt transformed a Cold War classic into a tank suitable for the 21st century. The Ramses II project began in the 1980s, when Egypt possessed hundreds of aging T-55 tanks, a platform that, while once formidable, had become obsolete by modern standards. Instead of scrapping them, Egypt sought a cost-effective solution: upgrade them. The task was handed to Teledyne Continental Motors, later General Dynamics Land Systems, in the United States, and the result was nothing short of a hybrid marvel. Underneath its familiar exterior, the Ramses II is almost a new machine. First and foremost, it features a completely new power pack. A Continental AVDS-1790-5A V12 diesel engine, delivering 908 horsepower. This is the same engine found in the M60 patent, giving the Ramses II far more mobility and speed than its T-55 predecessor. Combined with a CD-850-6A automatic transmission, the tank can now reach up to 55 km per hour, significantly improving its tactical responsiveness. The suspension was also replaced with a hydropneumatic system adapted from the M60, improving off-road performance and crew comfort during extended operations across Egypt's diverse terrain, from rocky deserts to urban environments. Now let's talk about protection. The Ramses II features composite and applique armor, significantly enhancing protection against anti-tank weapons and small arms. The hull was widened, and the turret was modified to fit the new systems. Smoke grenade launchers provide an added layer of battlefield survivability, allowing the tank to obscure its movement during combat. In terms of firepower, the original 100mm gun was swapped out for a 105mm M68 rifled cannon, the same type used on the American M60 and early Abrams models. This gives the Ramses II compatibility with NATO standard munitions, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding SABO, APFSDS, rounds, high-explosive shells, and anti-personnel ammunition. The tank is also equipped with a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a roof-mounted 12.7mm heavy machine gun for use against infantry and low-flying aircraft. A major upgrade lies in the fire control system. The Ramses II received a modernized ballistic computer, laser rangefinder, and day/night sights, giving it far greater target acquisition and engagement accuracy than any standard T-55. These enhancements allow the tank to fire effectively while moving, something the original design struggled with. Crew layout remains traditional, with 4 members: commander, gunner, loader, and driver. However, the interior has been improved for better ergonomics and crew efficiency. With Western-style controls.